This is how you can get $400 worth of the best sound effects and video editing assets on the internet for free. You can get 1,281 curated sound design and Foley sound effects, 137 original full-length songs to use in your films and videos, 294 drag and drop Space VFX assets, clean and dirty letterboxes and mats in both 4K and 1080p, LUTs, transitions, overlays, vignettes, and more. Here's how to get them. Just go to FilmCrux.com, click on Film Crux Plus, and then click Make Better Films and sign up. Once you're logged in, click it again and that will take you to checkout. Just enter the code CRUX and it will give you a free month of Film Crux Plus. Click to view your subscription and then products, and you can download every Film Crux product absolutely free. Then if you want, you could just cancel the membership. But if you like the packs and you can afford the $10, stay a member to help us make more amazing stuff like this.